This is the video for Unit 6. Unit 6 is like Unit 5, but slightly different, almost nothing. The big one is some numbers. So here we go. The first part up here is look at the question and write the answer. So number 15 says, who was hungry? The hint is Jenny. So the answer is Jenny was hungry. Now there was a 3 after that. The 3 is the number of words in the answer. Jenny was hungry. 3 words. You can check the answers down here. And there we have Jenny was hungry. Great. Look at number 16. When was the movie over? It says 6. So the answer is 6 words. What is it? The movie was over at 9 o'clock. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you want to say it, change the movie to it. Now you have 5 words. That's okay. Both ways are okay. So the long version is 6, but you can change it to 5. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. So now I want you to finish 15 to 24, write the answers, and check the answers. Finished. Let's go to the next part. Down here. This part, listen to the question and write the answer using the hint. Number 25. What was it covered with? (26) Where did you move to? (27) Why was Jake drinking? I'll give you a hint. In this one, you must use the word because. 28. Where were the cups? 29. How did you eat soup? You must use the word with. Number 30. Was the room empty? Check your answers down here. And this part is finished. Next, we go to the speaking test practice. Listen to the question and write the answer. A. Kitchen. What was messy? Was messy. B. No. Was Greta hungry? C. Were the cups still on the table? Hint was yes. Yes. Were the cups still on the table? D. Bob and Jenny. Who was Jim between? E. Matt. Who was sitting next to Molly? F. No. Was Lisa sleeping? G. Forks and spoons. What was on the floor? H. Yes. Was Jim thirsty? I. Dining room. Where were the candles? J. Plates and cups. What was still on the table? K. Floor. Where were the pets sitting? L. Dining room table. Where was the centerpiece? You can check down here. And then we are finished. Go to page C. And here we are. Page C is the same as Unit 5, page C. There are 3 steps. We have dictation. First, write the question right here. And you check, you check on page D. So after you write the questions, check them here. Second, write the answer using blank and check on page E. So on page E, you should have this one, like this. Okay. And then third, listen and fill in the answers. Write the answers and you check on page 6F. Questions, blanks, answers. Let's begin with dictation of questions. 51. What was over? (52) What was messy? (53) Was the centerpiece still on the table? (54) Where were the candles? (55) Were the cups empty? (56) What was the table covered with? 57. What was on the smaller table? (58) Who was sitting on the left end? (59) Who was sitting next to Lisa? (60) Who was sitting next to Jenny? (61) Where were the pets sleeping? (62) Who was Greta between? (63) Who was Jake between? (64) Was the mouse sleeping? (65) Was Jake hungry? So page 6D, check the questions. Now, step 2, write the answers using blanks. So write the answers using blanks like this. When you are finished, check your answers on 6E. Now, listen to the story and fill in the answers. It is 8:45 and dinner is over. The dining room table is very messy. It is covered with plates, cups, spoons, and forks. Both red candles are still in the middle of the table, but not the centerpiece. It has been moved to a smaller table. The plates and cups are empty. Everyone was hungry and thirsty. They have all moved to a different seat. Now Bob is on the left end and Molly is on the right end. Matt is sitting next to Jenny and Jim is sitting next to Lisa. Greta and Jake have also moved. Greta is sleeping on the floor between Jim and Lisa. And Jake is sleeping between Matt and Jenny. The mouse is not sleeping because Jake was hungry. Fill in your questions, fill in your answers, and then check your answers. And here is the story. You can read and check. Okay, Unit 6 is finished. I'm going to